The Beehive has to be one of the most iconic styles of the 1960s. The hair is intricately wrapped and crafted into a structure on top of the head that resembles a beehive. Today's style is going to simulate that style, or the height anyway. By the end of the video, you're going to know exactly how to create it. It's so quick and easy, your socks are going to be blown off, I promise you. For the best no-fuss vintage and pin-up hairstyles, make sure you subscribe to this channel for regular updates and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out when I upload every Tuesday. I can't take credit for this hairstyle completely. It's inspired by the beautiful Tammi Savoy. I've linked her video underneath this one. She completes this beehive very easily and quickly on her lovely 4C stretched hair. So go and check that out. Go and follow on her on all her socials also, because she's absolutely amazing. My hair's been styled previously. It was curled and brushed out and then styled, so it's got a lot of volume in it. I suggest if your hair hasn't got a lot of volume, then you might like to backcomb a little bit, and I'll tell you when you might need to do that. You might not, but you might need to, so be prepared for a tiny bit of backcombing, but barely any compared to what you would have to do if you were forming this from scratch. Okay, so we're going to flip forwards and brush all of our hair nice and neatly upwards.
My advice here is to not go straight in and try and brush your hair from your neck upwards. Make sure you've brushed through your hair initially when your hair is just upright and normal, because brushing it straight away like this would be nigh on impossible, as I'm sure you know. Once all your hair is nice and straight going up from the nape of your neck towards your head, you're going to secure just above your ears in a vertical, in a horizontal line with bobby pins across your head. Now make sure that you get all of the hair from the nape of your neck secured to the back of your head. Can you see there on my left hand side, I didn't quite secure some, and that causes me a little bit of an issue in the future. So just make sure you've got all of your hair secured with bobby pins. You're then going to place the bun donut on top of your head, but not too close to your forehead. You do not want this to look like some kind of weird Johnny Bravo quiff. It needs to be just above the bone, kind of behind your ear. Do not bobby pin the bun donut in the centre, because you're going to be tucking hair in. I'm now back combing my hair, and I know I said I'd only do it around my temples, but actually I felt that a whole fluffy back comb was necessary just to give me a lot of volume. And I've actually done a video on back combing if you want to check it out. I'll link it in the description down there. There's lots of different types, but this is a nice big floofy one that really helps give you stability. Flip your hair up into, kind of hold it all together into a ponytail, and if you are looking like the Bride of Frankenstein, then you're on the right track. Lovely. You're now going to use the edge of your brush, not the middle of it, the edge of it, to smooth down your beehive. Now this is where the style is unique. I'm not quite sure how this is going to work out for you. You could have a pointier beehive, you could have a rounder beehive. You just want to spend some time fashioning the shape to make it appealing to your own eyes. Take the tail ends of your hair and you want to shove it, maybe not quite shove, but push your hair into the pocket that is under the hair, the bun donut that you've secured to your head. You're folding in your hair from the sides and the back, and you're pushing it into the hole in the bun donut. You will also more than likely need a couple of bobby pins to secure this, but you want to be checking. Thanks motorbikes for ruining my audio. You want to be checking the whole time the shape. You can see I'm not using a mirror here, I'm just doing it by feel, but I highly suggest that you do use a mirror and check as you go. You want to be using the side of your brush only to smooth out your beehive into the shape that you want it to be. Spray and bobby pin. Remember, the back of this is going to be covered by a scarf. I haven't told you that yet, but you probably guessed from the thumbnail, so it doesn't have to be super neat. I have to say that Tammi Savoy's one, I think she could just rock that without any kind of headscarf at all, because it looks perfectly neat at the back. But I'm quite clearly not the expert as she is in this particular style, so I'm bobby pinning and just knowing that this hot mess is going to be covered by a scarf. So take your preferred scarf. I'm using a rectangular one here. You can use a square one folded into a triangle, whatever scarf you wish, or headband even, and just fashion it around your bonce as you see fit. Don't pull too tight because you're going to ruin the shape of the beehive. You want it to be quite loose So I'm just wrapping it once and then tying it underneath, and that is it. This video is only a smidge over 5 minutes, and the hairstyle really doesn't take that much longer. It's a great daytime hairstyle, and I really hope you liked it.
If you love 1960s styles, then you have to watch these 2 videos. I know you're going to absolutely love them. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, share it with your friends and subscribe for regular updates. Thanks again for watching. Bye.